Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to buy a house with bad credit. Buying a house with less than perfect credit can be difficult. Still, it's possible to get a mortgage with poor credit as long as you take the time to prepare. As you guys know, home ownership is part of the American dream, but buying a house can be incredibly expensive. According to Zillow, the median home in the United States costs under $250,000. In certain markets, first, you must accept that you will pay a higher rate of interest. The reality for people with less than perfect credit is they will have to accept high interest rates on the loans they qualify for. If you go into the mortgage process knowing that you won't get the best advertised interest rate, it makes it easier to accept the higher rates you're offered. If you want to buy a house now, paying a higher rate of interest is part of the cost. If you want to handle the higher rates, you may want to wait while you work to boost your credit score. The third thing you should look into is to apply for an FHA loan. The Federal Housing Administration insures some loans for people with poor credit. That makes FHA loans much easier to qualify for than traditional mortgages. Another perk is that FHA loans only require a down payment of 3.5% of the home value instead of the 10% minimum. In addition, be prepared to make a large down payment. Lenders are primarily concerned when making loans is whether the borrower will be able to repay the money that they borrow. If the borrower defaults, the lender loses the money it lent and has to try to recover it by foreclosing on the home. The more you put into the home, the less likely a lender is to think that you'll be willing to walk away from the loan. This can help you qualify for mortgages you otherwise be unable to get or secure low interest rates. The bottom line is, buying a house can be difficult, especially if you have less than perfect credit. Still, it's possible to get a mortgage with poor credit as long as you take the time to prepare and are willing to show lenders that you are taking the purchase seriously. I want to thank you guys for watching our video, and I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, send me an email at busayo@bigappleaccountancycpa.com or call 646-572-8621. Thank you.